To determine if you have an I&L or an I&L clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it's present, you have an I&L clone arm. If it's missing, you have an I&L arm.
Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone Supreme wiper blade on an I&L clone arm.
First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the packaged adapter labeled A. Align the A adapter so that the arrow on top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the A adapter into the slot in the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the legs on the bottom of the adapter and notice they squeeze together. Press down on top of the adapter so the legs are sticking up. Place the adapter under the wiper arm. Squeeze and hold the legs together. Press and slide the adapter into the wiper arm until it locks into place with a click. Ensure the tab on the wiper arm engages underneath the tab on the adapter. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield.
Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone Supreme.